Are your polo shirts making you look older, wider, or just less fashionable? If you're over 50, chances are you're making at least one of these minor polo shirt mistakes, and it's ruining your style. But don't worry, today we're going to fix them all. Modern style upgrade you need in 2025. Because looking good over 50 isn't about chasing trends, it's about mastering timeless, confident style that suits your age, body type, and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to the Man's Style Decree. Let's get started. The Man's Style Decree starts now. 1. Wearing oversized polo shirts. Many men over 50 default to oversized polos, thinking they're more comfortable or flattering. In reality, baggy polos add bulk and make your frame appear shapeless. A well-fitted polo should hug your shoulders, skim your chest, and stop mid-zipper knot. Cover your backside. It should fit like a tailored tee, not a tent. Go for modern cuts with a bit of stretch that move with you. Size down if needed, and avoid polos with droopy sleeves or saggy collars. A fitted polo gives structure, enhances posture, and makes you look 10 years younger instantly. Don't hide your shape, refine it. 2. Choosing polos with loud logos over branding is a rookie mistake that screams outdated. Huge logos across the chest or back make you look like a walking advertisement, not stylish. Rich, confident men over 50 avoid shouting with their clothes. Instead, they focus on subtle elegance. Choose polos with small, minimal branding or none at all. This keeps your look clean, versatile, and modern. High-end brands now lean into quiet luxury, and that's the wave you should ride. Stick to solid colors or soft patterns and let the fit and fabric speak for themselves. It's refined, effortless, and exactly the impression you want to leave. 3. Wearing worn-out polos. You may love your old polos, but frayed collars, faded colors, or stretched hems instantly age your look. Worn-out fabric reads as careless even if you're well-groomed otherwise. Instead, invest in a few quality polo shirts with rich colors and crisp collars. Rotate your polos regularly to avoid overuse, and follow care instructions so they last longer. Darker tones or deep earth hues look more refined and maintain vibrancy longer. When your clothing looks fresh, you look fresh. A polished shirt makes you appear sharp and put together, no matter your age. 4. Neglecting collar structure. A floppy or curling collar ruins your polo's look instantly. It makes the shirt appear worn out or cheap. For men over 50, that's a big style downgrade. Go for polos with reinforced collars or button-down collars. For added structure, these maintain shape even after multiple washes and give your neckline a crisp, clean frame. A structured collar elevates your appearance and works beautifully under light jackets or blazers. Bonus tip: avoid popping your collar unless you're golfing in 2003. Clean, sharp, and defined is the modern look. 5. Tucking the polo incorrectly. Tucking can work, but only if done right. Tucking your polo too deep into high-waisted pants or letting it balloon makes your look dated and awkward. For men over 50, aim for the French tuck, a slight tuck at the front with the back left out. It gives you shape without appearing rigid. Alternatively, if your polo has a clean hem and fits well, leave it untucked. Just ensure it doesn't fall too low past your hips. Tuck with intention, not out of habit. That's the difference between trying and effortless. 6. Sticking to only one color. Too many men over 50 buy the same polo shirt in 5 shades of navy or black. While these colors are timeless, relying solely on them can make your wardrobe look tired. Color is a powerful tool used right. It elevates your presence. Try muted earth tones like olive, rust, burgundy, or even dusty lavender. These tones add depth, maturity, and sophistication. Don't go neon, but don't be afraid of color either. Rich tones flatter aging skin and show confidence. Diversify your polo palette for a more dynamic and youthful style. 7. Not matching the polo to the occasion. Wearing a basic cotton polo to a semi-formal dinner, not a good move. Not all polos are created equal. Pique or cotton is fine for casual outings, but upscale events call for polished polo slite, made from mercerized cotton, silk blends, or lightweight knits. Look for subtle textures, structured collars, and trim cuts. These small upgrades drastically shift how people perceive you. When in doubt, style it like a dress shirt. Pair with tailored trousers and loafers. Knowing when and where to wear the right polo makes you look intentional, not lazy. 8. Ignoring fabric quality. Low-quality fabric screams cheap hand at 50+. Cheap is the last impression you want. Polos made from thin, rough cotton tend to fade, wrinkle easily, and cling in unflattering ways. Invest in better fabric, mercerized cotton, Egyptian cotton, silk cotton blends, or lightweight merino knits. These materials hold color better, drape elegantly, and feel luxurious. Plus, they breathe better, important for both comfort and confidence. Don't settle for those Bakoof 3 polos. Quality over quantity always wins when you want to look expensive and age with style. 9. Wearing polo shirts with wrinkles or pilling. Even a premium polo will make you look sloppy if it's wrinkled or covered in pilling. These small details ruin the refined appearance you're aiming for. Make it a habit to steam or iron your polos, especially before wearing them under jackets or to social gatherings. And when pilling starts, either use a fabric shaver or replace the shirt. Also, avoid overwashing or machine drying high-end polos. Gentle care maintains sharpness and fabric integrity. Presentation matters. Every wrinkle speaks louder than you think. Always wearing short sleeves. Short sleeves are classic, but don't forget about long-sleeve polo shirts, especially in cooler months. They're a sharp alternative to sweaters or button-downs. Long-sleeve polos in fine knits or jersey cotton offer a more elegant, streamlined look. They layer beautifully under jackets and can be worn solo with trousers or denim. Stick to fitted cuffs and a trim cut-knot baggy. This unexpected upgrade signals refined taste and is perfect for mature men who want to stand out subtly. Letting the collar flop or curly floppy. Curled polo collar ruins your entire outfit, instantly making it look sloppy or worn out. This happens when polos are overwashed, poorly made, or improperly stored. Men over 50 should always check the collar before stepping out. Opt for polos with structured or reinforced collars that maintain their shape over time. Avoid hanging them on wire hangers, fold them neatly, or use thick hangers to preserve structure. A crisp collar frames the face, elevates the look, and signals attention to detail. Little things make a big impact. Not tucking or over-tucking the polo. Tucking rules are often misunderstood. A polo shirt worn untucked can look too casual or boxy, while fully tucking it in too tight can make you look stiff or outdated. The fix: the French tuck. Just the front, leave the back relaxed. This adds structure while keeping the look laid back. Ideal with trousers, chinos, or tailored denim. Choose slim-cut polos that won't bunch. This method works especially well for men over 50 who want to balance Polish with modern ease. Overlooking button etiquette. Many men leave all polo buttons undone or button them all up. Both extremes are style mistakes. A good rule for men over 50: leave only the top button undone. This keeps the neckline open but structured. It frames your face and elongates the torso without making you look like you're trying too hard. Buttoning too high looks stiff, while too low reveals too much. Make it look effortless, not careless. It's a small choice that sets stylish men apart from the crowd. 14. Wearing baggy or oversized polos. Oversized polos are a trap many men over 50 think they hide weight, but they actually make you look bulkier and less put together. A well-fitted polo should hug the arms, follow the torso gently, and stop. Mid-fly knot, draped like a tent. Slim doesn't mean tight. Look for structured fits in high-quality fabric that retains shape. Baggy polos signal laziness. Tailored polos show you respect yourself and your look. It's about confidence, not hiding. 15. Sticking only to the classic polo, the classic short-sleeve polo is timeless. But men over 50 should explore modern variations at polos, open collar polos, or polos with contrast piping. These subtle style shifts show you're evolving with the times while staying classy. A zip polo in a sleek fabric can substitute a dress shirt. An open collar polo adds a laid-back Mediterranean vibe. Variety is key. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just add flair. Modern polos equals modern mindset. Now that you know how to fix these 15 polo shirt mistakes, it's time to elevate your everyday look. Which one surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one, and if you're ready to transform how you dress after 50 confidently, without trying too hard, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the growing movement here at the Man's Style Decree. Because your best style chapter doesn't end at 50, it starts there. Stay sharp, stay confident. I'll see you in the next video.